Adidas released the Alphabounce performance/lifestyle shoe 5 years ago, and I was like, what if they used Boost instead of Bounce in the midsole? Then sometime in 2020, Adidas did release the Alphaboost. What's good, everyone? This is Kale. Today, I'm gonna talk about my recent pickup from Adidas, the Alphaboost. The Alpha B line debuted in 2016, then tweaking some on its upper and sole over the years. Looking onto the shoe, as you can see, it does look like the Alphabounce, except for the midsole. As the name suggests, Boost was used as the cushion, and it's thick, at least on the outside. The upper of the shoe is still a forged mesh, same with Alphabounce, but it has been re-engineered. It's so light and airy compared to the Alphabounce's knit-like feel. There are also fused materials here where the laces go through. No pull tab on the tongue, but there's one on the heel to make it easier if worn as slip-on. TPU clips are still present for heel counter and ankle support. The insole basically sits on top of the Boost midsole, which is dual density, meaning it's firmer than the traditional Boost. There's a slight compression on the heel and a little more on the forefoot. Still provides decent impact protection and energy return, but not the same as the one you can feel on an Ultra Boost. This shoe is listed as a training/running shoe, but I prefer to use my Alphabounce on that matter. I'll use this as a lifestyle shoe. Then finally, the outsole. It's in continental rubber. You can use this on dry or wet grounds ensuring grip. The same outsole used in an Ultra Boost, but the pattern is different. Wave patterns here, and there are some areas here that support traction when performing lateral movements. Heel to toe transition is very good. The curvature of the shoe is obvious, combined with the soft materials up top. This shoe retails for $130, but some stores put them up on sale because it's been released for some time now. There's also a parley version on this, which is composed of recycled materials. To sum it up, despite listing it as a training/performance shoe, I wouldn't use it as one. The Boost setup isn't just for me. Don't get me wrong, it works just fine, but I prefer using this casually because, look at that, ain't that gorgeous? And it's chunky. And that's the end of the video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it and comment below your thoughts about this shoe. Don't forget to click the subscribe and bell button if you haven't yet. Now, we'll see again the Adidas Alphaboost on feet.